step. So now we've got kind of our varieties figured out. We're keeping things simple and lean. What does the sizing of our land look like if we're trying to get to that 100K in profit mark? You mentioned you had 2 half-acre gardens,
Two
a
quarter-acre
quarter
gardens.
acre. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I think that's a limiting belief for a lot of people too, is that they think they need, 20 acres.
acres.
Right,
Acres,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's actually a line in the book, the Cut Flower Handbook, where I say that there's this symptom or this result that we see in people that can tell us whether they're going to be successful or not.
Mm,
And it's, the people that start really small and go slow are the ones that we still see flower farming in 5 years. It's the people that go big
mm,
out of the gate. And it's like, because I mean, what did people say to me, especially when I was traveling and speaking? People would say, "Oh my gosh, I have 20 acres and I could just grow all the flowers I want." And I'm thinking, but you don't even need but a half an acre. And it's really hard. It's really, really hard to make that choice. It's like being a gardener and wanting to just grow more pretty flowers. You just really have to say, I'm drawing a line in the sand. I am going to stay small, even though I have more options. I would say for the beginner, 1/4 acre garden is going to produce a lot of flowers. But as you are, let's just say this year is your year that you're going to try to figure, you're going to do a reality check. You're going to grow flowers. And we have a lot of people, and I recommend people do this if they really cannot start their business for whatever mental block that they have, is to plant a garden the size they think they should and really try to learn how to farm and then gift their flowers every week. And to not don't pre people don't know that you're going to be gifting those flowers to nursing homes and teacher. I mean, to show up at a school with 100 bouquets or 50 bouquets or a police department or a fire department is an amazing thing to do. But we've done it many, many times. And you're the one that walks away 2 foot taller after doing that. But it's the fear of selling that really has a lot of people stumped. And to just say, okay, I'm going to plant a garden. I want to produce 50, 60, 10, or 100 bouquets a week and get a reality check and do it. Then in your second year, then you can say, all right, I'm going to do it. I think 1 acre is the maximum that one person can take care of. If I had 1 acre alone with equipment, I could probably do it. It's the harvesting. That's all handwork.
mhm.
Um, so a 1/4 acre, starting out to not get overwhelmed, but a half an acre, succession planting the right stuff, low maintenance, which means we're all about weed prevention in the way that we build our gardens. Yeah, you could do 100,000.
If you enjoyed this clip, be sure to watch the full 1 hour interview that I did with Lisa Mason Ziegler inside my free online community. Just click the link below.